Hello fam, welcome back to Oma Sport. Today I share with you how to make delicious tomato beef stew. So without any further ado, let's get started. In a clean pot, go in with your well-washed beef, okay? Now go in with your diced onions, followed by your thyme, your dry thyme or fresh one. Now go in with your ginger garlic paste, very important, okay? It will make your meat come out very tasty. You know that aroma, that flavor of ginger garlic in your meat, so do not skip it, okay? If you noticed, we've added salt and seasoning, okay? So once you've added all of this, go on and stir to well combine. All right, so go ahead and cover it and allow it to cook, all right? After 5 minutes, we are checking. We are still on the process of steaming it, okay? If you notice, we didn't add any water. So here we are checking on our beef. All right, at this point, go on and add in some water. So we continue to cook until our meat is very tender and soft. So at this point, we are checking again. Well cooked, yeah, it is soft and tender. All right, take it off the heat, okay? Now, moving on to the next one. In a clean pot, go in with some oil. Yeah, we are about to fry our beef here. It depends on you. If you do not want it dry or you don't want a fried beef, it is fine. You can skip this step. But if you want it just this way, go on and fry it, all right? So this is us frying our beef. And the meat stock, do not throw it away. We're going to be using it, okay? So keep it aside. At this point, we are flipping the other side, making sure that they are well fried. Though I do not want them too strong or hard, so I'm not going to fry for a long time, okay? Just know that it's based on your preference, okay? You can fry for too long. You can just fry just the way I did mine. It depends on you, all right? This is us checking back again, and at this point, it is set. So scoop it off the oil, okay? Take it off the oil. In same oil, or you can choose to change oil, like go with fresh oil, or you sieve it, but I choose to go with same oil, yes. So guys, go on and add in your thyme, your dry rosemary, and your ginger garlic paste, okay? We are trying to build flavors, all right? It will make it come out more flavorful, okay? So building flavor is very, very important when making your stew. So guys, if you notice, we've added our diced onions. Now go on and give it a quick stir and allow it to fry for a minute, yes. Or wait when it is flavorful or translucent, all right? So after a minute, we are going in now with our tomato mixture. Consists of fresh tomatoes, long pointed peppers, ginger, and garlic. Yes. Now, stir to well combine and allow it to fry, okay? We're going to fry for 10 minutes or 15, okay? So this is after 5 minutes we are checking. Stir it, okay, and watch closely. You don't allow it to get burnt, all right? Another 5 minutes and we are checking again. Give it a stir, okay? I said in my previous videos, yeah, for you to know a well-fried tomato, just watch out when oil start floating on it, okay? So at this point, we've added our fried beef and we're going to fry for another 5 minutes, making 15 minutes, all right? Before introducing water. So guys, at this point, we've exhausted another 5 minutes. It is well fried at this point. Remember, we cooked it, so if you didn't go the process of cooking your tomato, yes, boiling it until the water dries, you have to fry more than 15 minutes, okay? And if you noticed, you will know that we've added our meat stock and now we are adding more water, yes. Next is your peppers. We are making use of Scotch bonnets, yes. If you want it more hot, more spicy, go on and increase your peppers, all right? Now go in with your seasoning, some salt, and some curry powder, okay? Once you've added all of that, go on and stir to well combine. As for the consistency, it depends on your preference, okay? If you want your stew watery, go on and add more water. All you need to do is increase your ingredients, okay? Make sure your seasoning, your salt equates the quantity of your stew, okay? And if this is your first time meeting my video or you're new to my channel, you're welcome, okay? Here, this channel is just all about cooking. So please do well to subscribe and be part of the family, okay? Now, take it off the heat after allowing it to cook or simmer for just 3 minutes. And there you have it, guys. Our delicious, tasty tomato beef stew is set. Give it a shot, okay? And it's time to serve. So this is me serving our delicious mouth-watering beef stew. Yeah, it is looking so good. And we are going to be enjoying it with some white rice and some fried plantain. And please, if you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe and follow for more tasty recipes, all right? Also, remember to share to your families, friends, and loved ones for them to try it out. They need to test this goodness. So please do well to share. Okay. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.